We are almost moving again. Hold on, hold on. Boom! Hey, nimejikuna mkono, tutapata pesa. Hi and welcome to today's vlog. I'm Mariana and this is Maya. So today I'm just going to show you like how I go about my day with a 1-year-old baby. So like right now you can see I have some straws. I have this box with so many of the straws so that she can be busy removing these straws. I've just poked some holes and we are about to move because she's now our camera woman. Yeah, so like that's the work. Yeah, like that. Now it's around 10 o'clock. We are about to have a snack, a banana, because in the morning we had a very nutritious porridge. We are almost moving again. Hold on, hold on. Boom! The struggle that I faced with this very curious baby. So hapa kwa meza, sometimes I just feel like talking in Swahili. So I'm done with sorting kamande. Now ni njugu karanga. There she goes. Hizi kamande ni mingi sana za kula at one time. So like I will boil all of them and then I'll store some for later. Now she's curious of what I'm doing because you see she's just so curious, and nikimkataza ataanza kuanza kulialia and anaweza zimwaga. So what I do, nitazipush tu hivi mbele and then naeka tu kidogo hapo. Sasa atakuja tu anaanza kuzishika shika hivyo. Hizi atakuja anza kushika shika hizi sasa bila kuinterfere with the main thing that I'm doing. And also I'm really working on my posture. I have a very bad posture. I don't know if because of breastfeeding. Yeah, I have a very poor posture. I'm really working on it. Lazima apewe haki yake. Almost last time now. Da. Da. Ah. Chururi, tarara, chururi, chururi. Yeah. Hey, nimejikuna mkono, tutapata pesa. So the myth that I'm telling you about, ukijikuna mkono ya left utapata pesa but sio za kukaa. Like utapata pesa alafu utumie. But ukijikuna mkono ya right ni pesa zitakuja usave. now we are in the kitchen because Kamande is done. I'm gonna take you there. If you can see the Kamande here. Good looking. So now size nataka kutoa Kamande hapo. Niziweke kwa hii, drain maji, and then niziweke hapa, nizistore. Another thing that I can do, since our fridge is not that big, I can use these bags. They are good to seal. Yeah, so like I can just put them here and niziweke kwa fridge. Freezer, that is the upper compartment. Hii ya juu. Ya chini ni fridge, hii ya juu. Here we have Kamande. And I'm going to store them now in 2 zip bags. 11:41. Maya ako karibu kulala. So wacha niende nimsoothe kidogo. Alale ndio aamke tukule lunch. So my husband is back home and cake. Now my tea is almost. So I take this time for myself. If it's taking a shower, I like taking my showers in the evening, not morning, in the evening, so that I can be refreshed when I go to sleep and even when I wake up, and even during the day. Baby is asleep, as you can tell. She's asleep, and this evening sleep, they are normally long. Analalanga sana ya jioni. Ngiolala 3. Saizi nielekea 6. Mtalala and then usiku pia hata tusumbua kwa sababu atakuwa ameshiba usingizi. So if this is the end of the vlog, have a nice time. Bye.